Walter, why is your mouth all orange? Did you get into my pizza? Did you get into my pizza and eat it? Look at your face. Look at your face, it's all orange. Don't squawk at me. You got into my pizza. Now look at your face. Yeah, look at your face. It's all orange. I turn my back and look who's right on the plate. Like a dog on a bone. That's Walter. Is that good pizza, Walter? I was enjoying that last piece of pizza, Walter. Now you've got it. Now it's yours. Turn your back for a minute, and this bird's on my plate, I'm telling you. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this bird. It's got pepperoni, mushroom, bacon, and olives, so I don't know what you're enjoying, but whatever it is, it's good. Is that good pizza, Walter? Say, sure is, Mom. Walter sure likes it. Yes, he does. Oh, you like the dough. Let's slow that down so we can see Walter's tongue working. And Walter likes the crust. Is that good crust, Walter? Yeah. All done? Alright everybody, don't forget to give Walter a shout out in the comments.